Don't you hate when you're in the middle of a big project at work and this happens? In this episode of Talk with a Tech, our goal for the success of your business.
So John, what exactly is data backup?
Well, Bob, when you back up your data, all you're doing is storing a copy of all your files in a secondary location in case something happens to the originals.
But I'm just a small business owner. Why do I need this?
Everyone needs to back up their data, Bob. According to Semantic, 47% of businesses lost data and had to restore from backups in 2013. And 60% of companies that lose data will shut down within 6 months of their disaster.
I'm starting to see the value of this, but I just don't know that we have the funds for such a big expense right now.
Actually, using TechVAR data backup won't be a big expense at all. With internet bandwidth size increasing and cost decreasing, data backup for small businesses has become much more affordable. So what do you say, Bob? Ready to sign up?
Absolutely.